If you're looking to lose fat, then you have to try this custom keto meal plan. To create this service, certified nutritionists, personal trainers, and chefs united to develop keto meal plans that are effective, convenient, cost-efficient, and enjoyable. Since their launch in 2019, hundreds of clients have already transformed their figure and health with the benefits a proper keto diet can offer. Speaking of benefits, you'll discover 8 scientifically proven ones offered by the keto diet. Benefit number 1, the keto diet can help you obtain and maintain a healthy weight. The keto diet is excellent for losing fat and keeping it off. For example, a meta-analysis of 13 randomized controlled trials concluded that individuals assigned to a VLCKD, very low carbohydrate ketogenic diet, achieve a greater weight loss than those assigned to an LFD, low-fat diet, in the long term. Hence, a VLCKD may be an alternative tool against obesity. What's more, randomized controlled trials found that the keto diet produces up to 3 times as much weight loss as a high-carb, low-fat diet. In other words, if you want to lean down but are sick and tired of failing your weight loss attempts, the keto diet may be the key to a slim figure. Benefit number 2, the keto diet boosts brain function. When going keto, most people experience an improvement in their brain function and mental clarity. The keto diet supports your brain in various ways and for various reasons. A major reason is that ketosis enhances mitochondrial functioning. Researchers believe ketosis stimulates the formation of new mitochondria in your brain, especially in your hippocampus. This aids your mental clarity, memory, and energy levels. Benefit number 3, the keto diet can help manage or even reverse diabetes. Many studies show minimizing carb intake benefits people with diabetes. In fact, the keto diet was the standard diabetes treatment before the discovery of injectable insulin. Benefit number 4, the keto diet reduces heart disease risk. While saturated fat and cholesterol are often alleged to clog arteries, these compounds do not cause heart disease. That's good news for keto dieters because this eating style loads up on high-fat foods such as eggs, nuts, and bacon. In fact, the keto diet reduces heart disease risk for 4 main reasons. The keto diet stimulates weight loss, elevates levels of the good HDL cholesterol, decreases blood triglycerides levels, reduces blood pressure. Benefit number 5, the keto diet boosts mental well-being. The keto diet benefits various mental disorders and conditions. For example, research shows the keto diet has an antidepressant effect, improves the behavior of children with autism, may stabilize mood in bipolar disorder patients. It may help with schizophrenia. Benefit number 6, the keto diet can be therapeutic for various neurological diseases. These include Alzheimer's, ALS, Parkinson's disease, infantile spasms, West syndrome, and epilepsy. Benefit number 7, the keto diet may prevent and fight some types of cancer. Most cancer cells rely on glucose as fuel, which is why keto diets may help prevent and fight the disease. For instance, when in vitro cancer cells only receive ketones and fat for energy, they often die. Plus, various studies show the keto diet helps fight brain cancer. Benefit number 8, the keto diet can improve gut health and bowel disorders. Many bowel diseases are the result of gut pathogens and infections, both of which rely on glucose for energy. By minimizing your carb intake, you stave off these infections and pathogens. That's how going keto diet can improve gut health and treat bowel disease. Impressive, don't you agree? And if you're ready to reap the benefits, you can get your customized keto meal plan for the price of just 3 movie tickets. Remember, click the link below to get started. Please, remember to subscribe, share and ring the bell.